Hola Marias, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, again, I am so happy to be back and I will be sharing with you part of my life that majority of you guys do not know. So I am obviously a BTS ARMY and this will be my first ever Weverse or BTS related haul kung saan I've waited about 3 months for this from the time I purchased them and until now. So natambak sila sa kwarto ko. It is very, very tempting to open them, but I really wanted to share my experience with you and of course for me to have like an archive itong experience ko for my first BTS haul or BTS merchandise haul. So, if you're excited to know kung ano yung mga napamili ko, then please keep on watching. Maria, Maria. So, let's start with this earrings kasi baka malimutan ko. This is Jimin's earrings na ginamit niya sa Carpool Karaoke with Late Late Show with I forgot what's the name of that with Papa Mochi. I forgot the exact basta ito yung earrings na yun. So I already used it. This is like my third time using it. I'm really in love with this drop earrings. Sobrang ganda niya. And speaking of earrings, I also purchased yung earrings ni Jimin pero wala pa siya sa haul na to. Pero I will provide you the items that I purchased from the very first one in order from Weverse. So if you are a follower of mine for quite some time now, you know that my very first purchase from an official store was with a pop-up store. It's a hoodie, and then I also purchased from a reseller yung kanilang permission to dance. But these are all purchased through my Weverse account and also from another resellers like for the magazines that I have. So starting from I think this is Daikon. Where is my scissors? Daikon, the icon. I really don't know. It took them 1.5 months, I think. So yung mga magazines, of course, hindi ko sila pinurchase sa Weverse. I purchased them from resellers. So, one of the reasons why I don't want to open them because I don't have a place where to display them. But I realized, the more na nakatambak sila sa paligid, the more natitrigger ako na buksan sila and ma-curious kung ano na yung status ng laman. So, I think it is a combination of purchases from March, April, May. Oh! This is from Eurobun shop. Ayan. And I got We Are Forever Bulletproof na picture. I am new to this, so I only got influenced by my friend. Shout out to Gwen. She's the one who introduced me to merchandises, photo cards, and all that. But these are pictures, yung elaborate isa talagang breakdown ng mga items. I'll have a separate video, but this is more on the unboxing nitong mga literal na nakabox. So this one, I think Daikon talaga to. Correct me if I'm mistaken kung Daikon or Daikon. Yes, so this is the BTS Daikon photo card 101 custom books. Ayan, yung ating first item na sobrang tagal bago dumating. And then, followed by this one. Yung merch nila na talagang bardagulan. Nag-antay talaga kami ng sobrang tagal. And this one. I will not open them again. Ngayon, I will just open the box itself. So, lahat sila naka-box. This is the Jimin With You hoodie. Yan, in size medium. So I'm very much excited to open it. And then followed by this. These are the magazines that I got. So, ayan. This is from shop. Uni, online shop. Uni. Ayan. Okay. So, open natin. Okay, I have the thank you card freebies. Ayan. And then, ang bigat nito. Okay, so, hindi na naman natin siya pubuksan. These are the... Hindi ko talaga siya bubuksan kasi kita ko na siya. Ito yung mga magazines. Okay, GQ magazines. These are the GQ magazines. And then, of course, yung Angie Adore. I don't know how to pronounce them properly. The earrings. And then, this huge box. Mas marami kasi itong laman. Na talagang super excited ako. And one thing is, my very first merch box, as in yung BTS membership box, is in here. My music box. So I wanted to open it, pero maybe that's the very first thing that I will unbox on my next video. I just want to make sure na safe sila inside because I've had this for about two weeks, 1 week now. So I'm worried. Very much worried. So again, thank you so much, Gwen, for introducing me to the Korean address. I'll tell you more about that if you have questions about membership and the Korean address that I use when purchasing para mas makamura tayo. Just leave a comment down below para magkaroon tayo ng Q&A perhaps on my part 2 kasi I have quite a lot more of items, merchandise coming for my part 2. So, gigil ako talaga. Ayaw mabuksan. Siyempre, ating mga ultimate bubble wrap. Maganda naman, wala. Okay. Ito na yung aking music box. This is my merch box number 6. Followed by my deco kit. Kita nyo naman siya. And then followed by the piano sheet music. I have several deco kits, I think. They are 4 gifts. I have one more. 1 more deco kit and the piano sheets that is meant to be a gift to my niece, but her birthday is over, so basically ihahabol na lang natin siya. So that's it. This is a very quick unboxing, generic unboxing. I just want to share yung mga laman ng aking first ever purchase from Weverse and first merchandise na hindi nasusuot kasi nung una mahilig lang talaga ako sa other than my army bomb. I'm not sure if you can see them, and of course my tiny tan. I prefer purchasing items that I can wear, like the stuff like this one, yung mga damit, jacket, hoodies and all that. But I started loving merchandises na collectibles, and especially yung photo cards na 101 pieces. So that's it basically for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch part 2 and perhaps meron pa tayong part 3 about my background story or Q&A about my journey to being a BTS ARMY. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye!